to our 2025 Flourish Gala. Each and every one of you play an integral part in the history and the future of VCC.
We are stronger when we come together as a community, just as we are here tonight.
We are building a foundation that not only benefits for the student, but also a foundation that for communities to prosper.
At VCC, we talk a lot about the hands-on experience, but the classrooms are ultimately the heartbeat of any school, as you know. And these new classrooms will have state-of-the-art equipment for students to help support the range of learning.
I invite all of you to consider making a generous donation. $5,000 from the Mealy Family Foundation.
Part of VCC have been for all of my adult life living in the East Van, knowing how much VCC trains people to contribute directly to our economy, and that's game-changing for the future of British Columbia.
I get the honor of announcing what we raised tonight, which is $233,000. Record night. Thank you very much.